Okay. Have you ever seen insects? Ashwik, give me the answer. Have you seen insects?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Divita, tell me the names of any two insects. Name of any two insects. Divita, are you listening to me? Okay. Gurshesh? Gurshesh, are you listening to me? Gurshesh, I have unmuted you.
Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, butterfly and grasshopper.
Good. Our today's topic is the things wings do. We have to read about insects and their wings. In your book, you will see the picture of different insects. Have you seen? Okay, now insects have wings of different shapes and colors. Everybody will open page number 54. Open. Insects have wings of different shapes and colors. They also have different uses. Most insects have two pairs of wings with one pair behind the other. Some insects have these wings are used for flying. They help an insect in other ways too. Flying. How fast can an insect fly? That depends on the size and speed of the wings. Now I will write the difficult words on the board and you will read the meanings. Okay? Houseflies can go fast because they have small wings that flap quickly. Flap means move the wings up and down. Don't scribble. Move the wings up and down. Who is scribbling? Move the wings up and down. Houseflies have small wings and that flap quickly. The same is true for honeybees. Honeybees also have small wings. A honeybee can flap its small wings 225 times. How many times? 225 times each second. In 1 second, they flap their wings 225 times. Underline this. Everybody will underline this line. And it can fly 22 kilometers in an hour. In 1 hour, it can fly 22 kilometers. Underline also, in an hour. Isn't it fast for an insect? Next page. But butterflies drift. Underline drift. Meaning of drift is move slowly without much control. Move slowly without much control. You see butterflies, but butterflies drift from flower to flower. They flap their broad wings slowly. Sometimes they glide without flapping at all. Glide means, look at the meaning of glide, move smoothly without stopping. Move smoothly. Glide meaning move smoothly without stopping. Butterflies move slowly without much control. These big wings could break if the butterfly flapped as hard as a bee does. If a butterfly will flap its wings like bees, its wings will be broken because it has very soft wings, hard coverings. Wings are not just for flying. In fact, a beetle's front wings are not for flying at all. These two wings, look at this picture in your book, are hard. These wings are very hard. When the beetle rests or walks, it covers its body, soft body, like two pieces of a nutshell. Nutshell means, look at the meaning nutshell, the hard shell around the kernel of a nut, Kernel, kernel of a, the hard shell around the kernel, Kernel of a nut. These wings help protect the beetle from being eaten by birds. When it takes rest, it covers its body with this hard shell, hard wings, so that birds should not eat that beetle. When the beetle flies, it holds its front wings out to the sides. When it flies, it holds its front wings out to the sides. Look at this picture. But these hard wings out of the way, the beetle can fly with its small back wings. Look at the back, there are small wings. It can fly with the help of these small back wings. Colors for hiding. Some wings have colors and patterns. Patterns means repeated decorative designs. Patterns mean, look at this insect. Look at this pattern. Repeated decorative designs. Decorative designs. Some wings have colors and patterns that make the insects hard to be seen. These wings look similar to the places where the insect rests. Look at this insect. It is on the grass and its wings are of green colors. They are similar to the place. When the creature holds still, it does not look like an insect. When it sits on the grass, it looks like a grass. It looks like a leaf or a stone or a piece of bark. Bark means I am going to write the outer bark, the outer covering of a tree trunk. The colors help the insect hide from animals that might eat. These colors help the insects to hide from the animals. The kind of coloring is called camouflage. Underline this word. Look at the meaning. Hiding by painting. Hiding by painting. Hiding by painting. This kind of color is called camouflage. Next is grasshoppers have camouflage. Look at this picture. When they sit on plants, their wings look like the leaves around them. Look at this picture. It is of green color. Some moths have wings that look like tree barks. Moths mean insects like a butterfly. Moths look at the bird. Insects like a butterfly. Insects like a butterfly that have wings and usually get attracted to light. Wings and usually get attracted to light. And attracted to light. They can rest on trees without being found. Next is bright colors. Some insects do not hide at all. Instead, their wings have bright colors that can be seen from far away. Some insects have bright colors. We can see them from far away. As the colors warn birds that the insects are not good to eat. Scientists say these wings have warning colors. These colors are called warning colors. Next page. Look at this picture on page number 56. The wings of monarch butterfly have warning colors of bright orange with black. A bird might eat one of these butterflies, but after the bad taste of that meal, the colors warn that the bird not to eat another one. Why it is called warning color? If a bird might eat one of these butterflies, its taste will not be good, and it will warn it that you should not take another insect. Most people think wings are just for flying. Tell them about these amazing uses. Amazing means extraordinary. Extraordinary. Now, I will ask some questions. Get ready. Okay. Ahana. Ahana. Wings are not just for dash, running or flying. Give me the answer. Running or flying. Ahana, are you listening to me? Faiza, give me the answer. Faiza, what is the correct?
I'm flying.
Good. Number 2. Write in your notebook, book. Houseflies can go dash. Pratna. Pratna, what is the correct answer?
Fast.
Yes, because they have dash wings that flap quickly. Ashwik, give me the answer. Second. They have dash wings. Small or big?
I'm small.
Yes. When the beetle rests or walks, it covers its dash body like two pieces of a nutshell. Aradhya Sadotra. Aradhya, give me the answer.
I'm Radhi Rajan.
Aradhya Sadotra. I am asking from Aradhya Sadotra. Aradhya Sadotra, are you listening? When the beetle rests or walks, it covers its dash body like two pieces of a nutshell. Hard or soft? Yes. Next is number 4. Harjot. Harjot, you will listen. Some insects do not hide at all. Instead, their wings have dash colors that can be seen from far away. Dull or bright?
Bright.
Yes. Bright. The wings of the monarch butterfly have warning colors of bright dash, red or orange. Aradhya Rajan. Aradhya Rajan. Red or orange?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Red or orange?
Ma'am, orange.
Yes. Next is Gunhar Singh. Are you listening to me? Next part of this. The wings of the monarch butterfly have warning colors of bright orange with dash. White or black?
Black.
Yes, good. Good. Next question is, how many times a honeybee can flap its wings in 1 second? Listen again this question. How many times a honeybee can flap its small wings in 1 second? Ifat, give me the answer. How many times? Ifat, are you listening to me? What is the correct answer? Yashika, give me the answer. Yashika, give me the answer. How many times a honeybee flap its wings?
How many times a honeybee flaps its wings?
Yes. How many times? We read.
Ma'am.
Yes. Come on.
Honeybees, ma'am, 225.
Good. Okay. In 1 hour, how much distance it covers? A honeybee, how much distance covers in an hour? Tiara, give me the answer. How much distance it covers in an hour?
22 kilometers.
Good. Okay. Have you understood this chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Learn these meanings. Flap. Myra, give me the answer. Myra, are you listening to me? Myra?
Ma'am.
What is the meaning of flap? What is the meaning of flap? Mimansha? Mimansha, what is the meaning of flap? Mimansha, अपनी तरफ से unmute करो. Yes, yes, come on, come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Move the wing up and down.
okay, good. Now, amazing. Vedanti? Amazing. Vedanti, what is the meaning of amazing? बेटा अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करो. निपुर? Nipur, what is the meaning of amazing?
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary. Okay, okay. Glide. Next is glide. Gurshesh? Glide. Tell me the meaning of glide. Gurshesh, are you listening to me? Gurshesh? Harjot, give me the answer. Harjot? Give me the answer. Glide.
Move smoothly without stopping.
Yes. Next is patterns. Patterns. Vanya Seni? Vanya Seni, patterns.
Ma'am, pattern.
Yes.
Ma'am, pattern.
Okay, I will ask.
Ma'am,
Okay, I will ask from Rehana. Rehana, are you here? No. Mimansha, give me the answer. Give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Repeated decorative designs.
Repeated decorative designs. Now, I am going to unmute all of you. Have you understood the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.